Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. So this is the part 2 of built-in dishwasher fully integrated demonstration. So guys, we are here again. As I finish showing you the statics, the racks, and inside of built-in dishwasher fully integrated, now I will show you where we can put the dishwashing salt. So it's there inside. So I'm sorry, here. So once a month you need to put the dishwashing salt that you can buy in any supermarket near in your area. So as I told you again before, I will show you here the filter of the dishwasher. So once in a while you need to check inside if some clog it's coming or it's not filtering properly. You need to clean manually inside. So here guys, this is the inside. So this is inside, fully stainless steel. And as you see that hole, this hole from the inside of the built-in dishwasher, this one is giving the extra drying function. So it's having a exhaust from inside. So that's why it's giving you extra dry in every program that you're doing in the built-in dishwasher. So now we will go in the program of the built-in dishwasher. So we will turn on. There is 8 program that you can select from here.